Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Vivek Syiem SP crime kajela ulong baki kamsneo lengba ki kor ki bor jong ka juk benta kila bandon na ki benta ba pher jong ka jela bat kani kala jorbha hagani ka ya benta uba Vivek habaya kran bat kilat pathai kubor menta ka sngi ka santrik ulber arajar arpusau ulong babon ba ki brew kila ngop hagi bakum gini ki Jingïarap Pynbiej laki long hakaliang ka jing Pynbiej ban thep pisa ban yo kam yo jam bat kiwei ula ongru baki patba kide ban shim kabu ya kawai ni kirinsan ya kabala tip kum ka National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal namar kani kan yarap yiki bre ki bangat hakino gidu Jingïarap Pynbiej ne sha thombor lingba ka online bat kabadan ru ya un number yarap ni u helpline number iwei khandai line not ha kabakin yo yiki Jingïarap lada kimla ban pendon kam yiki jing ujor da kabasu phone ha une un number shusho uba Vivek ula ongru baki jing Pynbiej bat penting kila ban wan ha kirukom ba pher laki long ki bi day bat ki bank ne ka jing bampat seo ya ka bai boarding ka jing shimram bat ki wei bat ki bakum kini ki cap ki breu ki shat ngat da ka ba click ha ki link ki ba poi ha ki phone jongki ula kintu ki breu ki ba sham lanot bakim day ban ha ki Jingïarap Pynbiej bat ban phone ha number yarap iwei khandai line not na kabenta ban yo ye ki Jingïarap padula ongru balada khenye ka jingdon jong ki mukot duma ha ka bede bat ki cyber crime naru snam arajar khan reo kalakot sha ka hajar spa khan reo tli.
Cyber crimes can be from any part of the state, it doesn't have to be in the cities or the metropolis and all that. It can be from any nook and corner of the state. So we're seeing there's a trend in the surge of cybercrime cases. We've sent many advisories to districts, district SPs, and also the public. A lot of people are falling gullible, and there are various forms of cyber frauds. We've clustered those kind of cyber frauds and all that. And what I'd like to actually exhort out here is that we have the I4C, which is a central organization. It has a National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal, which I feel the public should use this, because and there's a number also, it's a emergency number 1930. If people don't know how to enter their details of the crime, there's somebody who will assist them under 1930 where people can call and people will assist them. Once the crime is reported through the portal, what happens is that when money is paid by gullible victims and all that, so it goes through many pay wallets. That stoppage of that transfer of money from one pay wallet to another pay wallet can be done through different intermediaries actually who are working in this I4C platform. And so I would exhort public, in case they fall victim to any form of crime. Crimes can be of different types. Some are KYC based, some are loan based, some are different forms of crime. They would say, you haven't paid electricity bills, your line would be disconnected. Some would KYC, like I said just now, and others are links and all that. And we have a lot of remote monitoring apps and all that, where people can actually monitor what you're doing in your phone once you actually press their links and all that. So people fall gullible to that, and a lot of money is lost. So number one is prevention, knowing that what is a crime. Now we have a lot of display photographs which are actually not the person. They'll scoop that from certain websites and all that, and put a certain important person, eminent person and all that, and then that person will actually entice people to pay money and all that. So people number one, shouldn't be gullible. Number two, go to the nearest police station to verify. Number three, if they fall prey to any form of crimes, call up 1930 or go to the cybercrime.gov.in site and report the crime immediately. We've till now, since 2016 till date, we've registered in the cybercrime wing about 2,216 cases, and all these go to the districts and all that. We monitor them, we give them SOPs, we give them steps to be taken by the IOs and all that, and our cybercrime wing is strengthening its capability to help the public. So people who have any issues, call up 1930. They will be directed to our cybercrime wing, and they will help them. 1930 is the number. lot of people actually call from very remote places. I think you've heard of this place in Haryana. What's that place called? No.
Jamtara.
Not Jamtara, sir. There's another place where actually a lot of Mewat and so many other places like that. Jamtara is some other place. People call from remote places and their modus operandi is ingenious. So it takes time to actually get them, because we are in touch with certain with the service providers. We're in touch with social media platforms. Now people use a lot of VoIP numbers. People fool people by saying you're calling from UK, I'm calling from Switzerland, and these VoIPs can be actually just bought from certain domains. So we are actually in touch with I4C and so many other organizations who are actually trying to rationalize these apps and all that, because a lot of apps now, in fact, you've seen there's one Ulu app also which is actually promoting illegal stuff. So these things and all that, the cybercrime wing is actually trying to develop its capabilities so that we can take on these criminals. The thing is that it takes a bit of time. So what we do is that, suppose now a case is coming from a certain area, we cluster these cases, and once we cluster these cases, then we send a team. Of course, there have been successes, and there have been where probably the amount is too small for actually a team to go there, because the expenses would be more. So we actually cluster the cases, then send a team. We've got about 2 DYSPs, we've got 4 inspectors, 6 sub-inspectors and 10 constables. Now this is the core team which is going to all districts. Every district is supposed to have a cybercrime cell of theirs. Almost all districts have, I think, save for 1 or 2, but all of them are in the formative stage. And I'm telling you, cybercrime is not that, you once you form up a cybercrime wing, it remains there. It's every day, it's a learning process. The criminals are ingenious criminals. Every day they're learning new things and all that. Modus operandi is different. So we are on our tours and all that, trying to study what is their modus operandi. Also coordinating with other districts, other units, central agencies. So this is something which is actually in a formative stage, but we will get there.